everyone, happy Fun Artifact Friday. We couldn't think of a better place to do this fun artifact than in front of what used to be Sir Harry Oakes' 6-car drive-through garage, which went underneath the museum. Now I have a question for you. Have you ever used your car horn to get someone's attention, warn them of oncoming danger, or better yet, just scare them as they walk in front of your car? Car horns haven't changed a lot since they were invented, and today my artifact for you is an early 1920s Chevrolet car horn. Now in the 20s, Chevy only came out with 10 car models, and that's because it was still a real luxury at the time, especially in the north. But if you looked inside, you wouldn't find this horn at all, and that's because car horns were still mounted on the outside of the car. We're not exactly sure how this one would have sounded, but we do know that the sound would have been pushed through this thin part of the horn and then forward and out by the funnel part of the horn. If you think you know how this would have sounded, let us know in the comments, and we'll see you next week.